Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a mani using two colors from Kimberz Kreations. The first color here is a beautiful chunky fine glitter mix, and it is called Cowgirl Up, and it has brown, teal, and gold glitter in here. And this glitter combo is so pretty. I am a sucker for anything teal, and that brown and the gold complement each other so well, and it really makes that teal pop, and it is the perfect fall autumn glitter. The next color here is called Live to Ride, and it is a beautiful dark chocolate brown, and it is stunning, and it pulls a little bit of a cooler brown in some lights, and then outside it's a little bit of a warmer brown, but I would definitely say it pulls a little bit more on the cooler side. And paired with Cowgirl Up, it is stunning. This is the most beautiful trio I have seen in a long time. So for today's mani, we are going to be doing the gel method. I really wanted to try Kimberz Kreations dips using the gel method. We are going to be doing the mani on my right hand, and I do use the Triple D full coverage tips in short almond, and then that little coral finger rest you see is from Liquid Layers. Now I am right-handed, but I've been really liking doing my manis on my right hand for some reason. I don't know, it's just been kind of my thing lately, and I feel like I'm a little bit better when I'm doing my manis on my right hand. Super weird, right? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the chunky glitter on my thumb first. I'm going to do 2 layers of that. When I'm doing manis with chunky glitter, I prefer to do the thumb first because I don't want to accidentally bump it when I am doing the other fingers, just because chunky glitter is so pretty and I just have a tendency of bumping it when it's on my thumb. So to avoid that problem altogether, I just like to start with my thumb first. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani process, and I'll pop back in a little bit. Alright, so we're going to finish up the mani here with a top coat. Now, normally I do use a gel base and then I go in with my top coat when I am finishing my manis, but I've been having really good luck with the Model 1 top coat, finishing up the mani just with the top coat alone. I haven't been having any peeling or flaking of that top coat, but when I do use other brands of dip top coat, I do have to use a base and the top coat to ensure that I don't have any of that peeling or flakiness. So if you run into that issue and you're just doing the top coat alone, definitely go ahead and apply your base coat first before you do the top coat step. So I really do like these powders from Kimberz Kreations. This is my second mani using her products, and the first time I used, what was it? I think Purple Palace and Jamming, and I used her odorless dip liquids, and that manicure was so much fun, and those liquids are amazing. So if you have any dip allergies or have any dip flu, definitely check out those liquids because those are awesome. And these powders applied really, really well with the gel method as well. I didn't experience any patchiness with the gel when it came to that brown pigmented. So that was really awesome because sometimes when you're using gel, the powder, solid powders can be a little bit patchy. So it didn't have that issue at all. So I really like how this mani turned out. You can get these two colors either in the Cowgirl Duo or you can get them separately. I'll link everything in the description box below. I hope you enjoy this mani, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!